Hello, everyone, in the Management 6209 Organizational Behavior class. This video will explain the different resources that the West Library at Texas Wesleyan University has for you to use in your organizational behavior class. So, who am I? Well, my name is Dennis Miles, and I am a reference and instruction librarian at the Eunice and James L. West Library at Texas Wesleyan University. Here is the table of contents for this video. It tells you the time frame in the video where you can access each topic listed in the table of contents so that you can go to just the part of the video that you want to watch. There is an online guide for this course that is on the library's webpage. This guide contains links to resources that may prove useful to you. There are links to library databases and other online and physical resources that contain information about organizational behavior. You can access the guide in 3 ways. You can scan the QR code that is on the screen with your phone, or you can copy the URL that's on the screen. The third way is to go follow the instructions that are on the screen now. The top 3 journal article databases of the library for organizational behavior are listed on the screen. Business Source Complete, Business Gale 1 File, and JSTOR. The links to these databases are found on the main page of the guide, called Getting Started. On this page, you will look for the most used resources, which is divided into tabs. The Articles tab contains the links to these 3 databases. These 3 databases contain access to journal articles, business magazines, and newspapers. Clicking on the Articles tab on the side here, you can see additional databases that you can use to find resources pertaining to organizational behavior. Now we will take a closer look at the Business Source Complete database. Business Source Complete has almost 8,000 journals, magazines, and trade publications that cover all aspects of business, including many publications on management and other publications with the subject of organizational studies. You can see on the screen the titles of some of the organizational studies publications. Let me show you how to access Business Source Complete. First, you can go to the Getting Started tab in the guide. Then click on Articles under Most Used Resources. Now you click on the link for Business Source Complete. Now you are taken to the Access page for Business Source Complete. Click on the Access Online Resource button on this page. Before you can access Business Source Complete, Microsoft will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. Type in your username, which is your TexWest email address, or you can just click on your email address if it is already displayed, like it is here. After typing in or clicking on your email address, next you need to type in your password and click on Sign In. Microsoft has a 2-step verification system. So after you type in your username and password, Microsoft will ask you to approve your request by typing in the number into your Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. If you want to know about how to install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone, you can contact the Computer Help Desk at 817-531-4428. Next, after authenticating, you will see this box that will ask if you wish to stay signed in. Choose whichever one you want, and then you will be taken to Business Source Complete. Now we are in the Business Source Complete database. To search in this database, you simply type in words in the search box. So if I type in organizational behavior, I will then click on the magnifying glass on the right. Once I click on the magnifying glass, the results list appears. This list of results has over 49,000 articles. To look at the article of the first one on the list, click on the PDF full text button. Here is the full text of the journal article. That is all I am going to say about Business Source Complete right now. For more information on how to search in this database and other databases, please contact me at the phone number and email address on the screen. There are also 6 weekly readings. These weekly readings are online articles from business publications such as Forbes magazine, Inc. magazine, and Harvard Business Review. These weekly readings are located in the Canvas course for this class. There are other resources in this guide, such as a listing of important books and eBooks on organizational behavior that you can take a look at if you wish. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope that this guide will be useful for you, and remember that you can contact me if you need any assistance with our resources or the guide.